Google Assistant, madam. I will give you the demo how it works. So I will press here. Open YouTube. There you can see open YouTube. So if I want to increase the volume, this I will say volume 100. The volume will go. Say hi in Chinese language.
In Chinese, that's 你好.
How is the weather outside?
Right now in Alain, it's 41 degrees and partly cloudy. Today,
Who is the president of China?
the president of China is Xi Jinping.
Like many things you can do on this, like it's very easy to access anything. Just use your voice command. This is the best option in this TV, the best one.